Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mela Apriana Devi. I'm from RKI class level 3. The following is a course summary of the journal, The Effect of Nasal Oxygenation Therapy on Change in Oxygen Saturation of Head Injury Patient in the Emergency Installation of RSUP Prof. Dr. R.D. Kondo Manado. 1. One emergency management for head injuries is to provide oxygenation therapy using nasal bronchs to maintain stable oxygenation in the body and brain tissue. Adequate oxygenation can be seen through the measurement of oxygen saturation. 2. Research method. Research design, quasi-experiment with time series design, sampling technique, consecutive sampling with a sample count of 16. 3. Research aims to determine the effect of nasal branch oxygenation therapy on change in oxygen saturation in head injury patient in the emergency room of RSUP Prof. Dr. R.D. Kondo Manado. 4. The study use a quasi-experimental design with a time series approach. Sample from 16 patients were challenged using successive sampling. 5. The results showed statistical significant change in oxygen saturation before and after the first 10 minutes, the first 10 minutes and the second 10 minutes, as well as between the second and third 10 minutes of oxygen therapy. 6. The conclusion is that nasal branch oxygenation therapy has a significant effect on change in oxygen saturation in head injury patient in the emergency room. 7. The study recommends the health workers should pay attention to emergency oxygen supply as an early measure for head injury patients to prevent hypoxia. 8. Advice: health workers are expected to pay attention to oxygen fulfillment as an initial action in head injury patients to avoid hypoxia. Overall, this journal concludes that oxygenation therapy using nasal probe is effective in increasing oxygen saturation in head injury patients. Thank you.